Hi, I'm Amazon Seller Central Expert. You all have listed your products on Amazon, right? So while listing a product, you must have entered its information such as its title, listing ID, SKU number, price, and quantity. Do you know which piece of this information makes your product different from others? That is, the listing information of your product. Wondering what that information is? Don't worry. Let's find out the different product-related information categories on Amazon. When you list a product, Amazon divides its information such as the name, model number, price, quantity, and condition into two parts: product information and listing information. The product information comprises the general information of a product such as product name and the model number, which will be same for all the sellers. For example, the name of the baby product will be same for all sellers. The listing information comprises details specific to your offers on that product. For example, for the baby product, shipping price, your price, or handling time could be different from that of other sellers. Note that when creating a new product detail page, the fields such as key product feature or product description must not include any promotional information. Product detail pages do not belong to any individual seller. The product title, image, and details must be specific to the product, not to any seller or individual seller promotions. Congratulations! Now you know that the product information is divided into two parts: product information and listing information. Well, that was easy, wasn't it? Thank you for watching this video. Have a question or want to learn more about how Amazon can help you build your business? Simply contact seller support for any queries.